Hello everyone, my name is Vasily and right now I'll be presenting my solution for the tutorial number 1. So first of all, I would like to say that I solved all the problems and we will see the solution to the problem 1 once we run the actual program, because then we would see that the program I made actually takes the input from the keyboard. Similarly, for the second problems, specifically the creation of the person class, you can see here that I indeed created the person Java, that like the public class person. Let me just quickly enlarge to show you that it was again very simple. It's just I copied the code from the tutorial and pasted it here. So let me just exit the presentation mode. And finally, in the problem 3, we were asked to make the code that will ask for the name of the persons, create multiple objects corresponding to the different persons' names, and then output the list. And importantly, we were asked to debug our code to make sure that we don't create the person with the name quit when we want to end the program and exit the loop. So let me go and show you my code for the main Java. So let me enter the presentation mode. So hopefully this is large enough for you to see. So you can see that pretty much all the lines of code I copied from the tutorial. So these are pretty straightforward. So one thing that I did, which is different from the tutorial code, from the code in the tutorial instruction, is that I used the suggestion offered by Java. And so I substituted the code specifically to lowercase equals with the equals ignore case, because this thing does the same thing. So it checks whatever the user typed quit, and it doesn't care about the case. So it's case insensitive. And so I just used the suggestion because I believe this method is more compact than using two different methods. And finally, to solve the problem related to the creation of the person object with the name quit, I just said that we will only add we will only create objects and add them to the people list only if the user types something other than quit. So what I did is that I just copied the code from here, and with the very simple if statement, I just made this little fix to the problem. And so the rest of the code is the same as in the tutorial instruction. And so right now, let me just run this program to see that it works. And so now let's just type a couple names. So here is my name. Oops. So you see it reads my name and then puts that a new object with the person with the name that I just typed was created. Let's type the name of the professor. You see it works. Some other random names. And you can see that all of these things works. And so now to check that the quit function indeed works properly, so I type quit in all uppercase letters, so it exits the loop. And here, as you can see, this is the list of the objects people that were created, and you can see that all the names that I typed, they were saved, and there is no person with the name quit. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and bye for now.